Hey guys, today I'll show you how to do the trending AI avatar trend on TikTok using Lensa. Welcome to another how to search tutorial video. So first things first, we'll need to download the Lensa app. So let's go to our Google Play Store and then search for Lensa AI. Once you're there, go ahead and install the app. But since I've already downloaded mine, let's go ahead and open the app. Once you're inside the app, we'll want to click on Magic Avatars and then click on Try Now. You'll need to choose whether to create an avatar for humans or for dogs and cats. So we'll want to create one for humans, so let's go ahead and click on Create. It will show you a list of possible results once you've done or completed your avatar. So click on Continue, and then you'll need to choose at least 10 to 20 selfies of yourself or other people. So go ahead and click on that. And then let's pretend that this is me. Let's choose at least 10 photos to convert into avatars. And then click on Import. Then choose whether you're a female, a male, or other. So let's choose male. And then choose the style of the avatar that you wish to get. But let's stick to the two of these. So click on Continue with 10 styles. And then that's basically it. You'll now need to pay for the avatars. It may cost you a bit, but it's definitely worth it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Again, this is How to Search, and see you on the next one. Peace.